Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can find your Pencil Spaces email to verify your account, reset a password, or find an invite to a space within your Gmail account. So I'm currently in my Gmail inbox and I'm awaiting an invite to a space sent to me by a friend. So the first step is to make sure you are signed up using the correct email. So I was told my friend would be sending me an invite to a space using this email account. However, I do not see the email in my inbox. So my next step would be to check my spam folder. As you can see here, I've received an invite to a space in my spam inbox. So the next step will be to click on the email and report not spam. Now when I return to my inbox, I can see my invite to a space there. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email our support team. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.